Hello everyone. Since you are not able to come to school, so I'm going to take the data for you for the island biodiversity lab. Okay, so before you continue to watch this video, you should have already, right now they don't know how to focus. You should have already read through this lab handout. Okay, and then my part is flip over to do the simulation of the four times of all the species migrate from the mainland. Okay, that's the part we're going. And then for counting, you have to stop the video to count how many species in each island with every trial, and then you continue the video. Okay. So here is the this part is the mainland, and then those are island A is small nearby, B is small but far away, and then C is big far away, and D is nearby, big island. Okay, and then I have 100 beans. They are signify 100 species. So I'm going to drop them and then to see how they would landed on each island. Okay, so at this length, go this way. Okay, so you guys, this is not very good, but you guys needed to pause here to count the species landed on the four island. Okay, you guys stop the video to count, and then I'm going to collect this one, get ready for the second trial. Making sure I have all of the species to the back 100. Okay, so I'm getting ready for the second trial. Let's see, you can see all the paper. Okay, let's look at the second trial. Okay, stop the video and get ready for the third one. For the third time. Okay guys, this one is the third time, and then you stop, and then I get ready for the fourth time. And also in the middle, I should take a picture. Okay, this one is when you stop counting, I'm going to do the fourth one. Okay, the fourth one, which is the last one. Please stop here. Okay. So this is the fourth one. And then the video will stop here. And then you needed to use those data to make sense to answer other questions. Okay, thank you.